Hey guys, I just wanted to get on real quick to show you how I do my fishtail braid. So you just take two pieces, split your hair into two pieces, and you're gonna take just a little piece from the front and take it to the back. Alright, so you still have your two pieces. Then you take a little bit from the back and bring it to the front. And you split your two pieces again. So you're always just gonna have two pieces. So you take from that front piece, put it to the back, then grab all that, and you still have two pieces here. Take some from the back, bring it to the front, two pieces. Take some from the front, put it to the back, two pieces. Take some from the back, bring it to the front, two pieces. Back to the front, two pieces. Take some from the front, put it to the back. Okay, take some from the back, bring it to the front. Okay, take some from here, two pieces. Take some from the back, bring it to the front. Back to the front. You have two pieces. Okay, take a piece from here, put it to the back, and take a piece from the back, bring it to your front hand, two pieces. Okay, take a piece from the front, right here, and you're gonna put it in your back hand. Okay, take a piece from back here, put it in the front. Take a piece from the front, put it in the back, and just keep going. Two pieces. If you take smaller pieces instead of bigger chunks, it looks a lot more intricate. So you can make it look as chunky and loose or as intricate as you want. Okay, so I really need to get some smaller hair ties, but so that is my fishtail braid.